Hello friends, welcome to R2P Soft IT classes. I am RR Pandey. Today we are going to discuss some basics of computers MCQ test part 1. This is beneficial for government job preparing students. Let's start. First, a light sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form is A. Keyboard, B. Printer, C. Scanner, D. OMR, E. None of these. Answer is scanner. Second, the basic architecture of computer was developed by A. John von Neumann, B. Charles Babbage, C. Blaise Pascal, D. Gordon Murray, E. None of these. Answer is A. John von Neumann. In 1945, Professor J. von Neumann, who was then working at the Murray School of Engineering in Philadelphia, where the ENIAC had been built, issued on behalf of a group of his co-workers a report on the logical design of digital computers. 3. In how many generations a computer can be classified? A3, B4, C5, D6, E. None of these. Answer is C5. Friends, there is 5 generation of computer available till now. First generation of computer, the period of first generation 1946 to 1959, vacuum tube based. Second generation of computer, the period of second generation 1959 to 1965, transistor based. Third generation of computer, the period of third generation 1965 to 1971, integrated circuit based. Fourth generation of computer, the period of fourth generation 1971 to 1980, VLSI microprocessor based. Fifth generation of computer, the period of fifth generation 1980 onwards, ULSI microprocessor based. Fourth, fifth generation computers are based on A. Artificial intelligence, B. Programming intelligence, C. System knowledge, D. VVLSI, E. None of these. Answer is A. artificial intelligence. Friends, fifth generation computing devices based on artificial intelligence are still in development, though there are some applications such as voice recognition that are being used today. The use of parallel processing and superconductors is helping to make artificial intelligence a reality. Quantum computation and molecular and nanotechnology will rapidly change the face of computers in years to come. The goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self organization. 5. Microprocessor was introduced in which generation of computer? A. Second generation, B. Fourth generation, C. Both A and B, D. Third generation, E. All of these. Answer is B. Fourth generation. Friends, the microprocessor brought the fourth generation of computers as thousands of integrated circuits were built onto a single silicon chip. What is the first generation filled an entire room could now fit in the palm of the hand. The Intel 4004 chip developed in 1971 located all the components of the computer from the central processing unit and memory to input-output controls on a single chip. These small computers became more powerful. They could be linked together to form networks, which eventually led to the development of the Internet. Fourth generation computers also saw the development of GUI, graphical user interface, the mouse and handheld devices. 6. Second generation computers are made of A. Vacuum tubes, B. Transistors, C. LSI, D. VLSI, E. None of these. Answer is B. Transistors. Friends, transistors replaced vacuum tubes and ushered in second generation of computers. The transistor was invented in 1947 but did not see widespread use in computers until the late 1950s. The transistor was far superior to the vacuum tube, allowing vacuum tubes allowing computers to become a smaller, faster, cheaper, more energy efficient and more reliable than their first generation predecessors. Though the transistor still generated a great deal of heat that subjected the computer to damage. It was a vast improvement over the vacuum tube. Second generation computers still relied on punched cards for input and printout for outputs. Second generation computers moved from cryptic binary machine language to symbolic or assembly languages, which allowed programmers to specify instructions in words. High level programming languages were also being developed at this time, such as widely used of COBOL and Fortran. Seventh, which of the following memory is non-volatile? A. SRAM SRAM, B. DRAM DRAM, C. ROM ROM, D. All of the above, E. None of these. Answer is C. ROM, read only memory. 8. Any data or instruction entered into the memory of a computer is considered as A. Storage, B. Output, C. Input, D. Information, E. None of these. Answer is C. Input. 9. Time during which a job is processed by the computer is A. Execution time, B. Delay time, C. Real time, D. Waiting time, E. None of this. Answer is A. Execution time. Friends, time during which a job is processed by the computer is execution time. 10. Which of the following circuit is used as a memory device in computers? A. Rectifier, B. Flip-flop, C. Comparator, D. Attenuator, E. None of these. Answer is B. Flip-flop. Friends, a flip-flop or latch is a circuit that has two stable states and can be used to store state information as memory devices. 11. The memory sizes in mainframe computers and advanced technology microcomputer are expressed as A. Bytes, B. Kilobytes, C. Bits, D. Megabytes, E. None of these. Answer is D. Megabytes. 12. Which one of the following is not an application software package? A. Red Hat Linux, B. Microsoft Office, C. Adobe PageMaker, D. OpenOffice, E. None of these. Answer is Red Hat Linux. Friends, Red Hat Linux is one of the highly used enterprise operating system in the Linux market. 13. Which of the following statement is wrong? A. Photoshop is a graphical design tool by Adobe. B. Linux is free and open source software. C. Linux is owned and sold by Microsoft. D. Windows XP is an operating system. E. None of the above. Answer is C. Linux is owned and sold by Microsoft. Friends, Linux is free and open source software. It is not sold by Microsoft or any other company. 14. An error is also known as A. Bug, B. Debug, C. Cursor, D. Icon, E. None of these. Answer is A. Bug. Friends, an error in computer program is known as bug, and process of fixing bugs are known as debug. 15. Who invented the supercomputer? A. Charles Babbage, B. JH1 Tussell, JH1 TASSELL Tassel, C. Charles GINSBERG Ginsberg, D. SEY Se MOUR Seymour Cray, E. None of these. Answer is D. Seymour Cray. Friends, supercomputers were introduced in 1960s, and for several decades the fastest were made by Seymour Cray at Control Data Corporation CDC, Corporate Control Data Corporation CDC. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance compared to a general purpose computer. Performance of a supercomputer is measured in floating point operations per second, FLOPS, flops, instead of million instructions per second, MIPS. 16. Which of the following is not an advantage of magnetic disk storage? A. The access time of magnetic disk is much less than that of magnetic tape. B. Disk storage is less expensive than tape storage. D. Disk storage is longer lasting than magnetic tape. D. None of the above. Here answer is D. None of the above. 17. The size of commonly used floppy disk is A. 4.5 inch, B. 3.5 inch, C. 3.25 inch, D. 5.5 inch, E. None of these. Answer is B. 3.5 inch. 18. The IC chip used in computers is made of A. Chromium, B. Iron oxide, C. Silica, D. Silicon, E. None of these. Answer is D. Silicon. Friends, an integrated circuit or monolithic integrated circuit, also referred to as an IC or chip or a microchip, is a set of electronic circuits on one small flat piece or chip of semiconductor material, normally silicon. 19. Which of the following operating system is produced by IBM? A. OS2, B. Windows, C. DOS, D. Unix. Answer is A. OS2. Friends, this version was released on 25 September 1996. OS2 is a series of computer operating system initially created by Microsoft and IBM under the leadership of IBM software designer E.D. Lacobussi. 20. The processor which performs arithmetical and logical operations is called A. Control, B. ALU, C. Register, D. Cache memory. Answer is B. ALU. Friends, and arithmetic logic unit ALU is a digital circuit used to perform arithmetic and logic operations. It represents the fundamental building block of the central processing unit of a computer. Modern CPUs contain very powerful and complex ALUs. 21. Which was an early mainframe computer? A. UNIC, B. FURTRIA, C. BRAINIA, D. ENIAC. Answer is D. ENIAC. Friends, ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, was amongst the earliest electronic general purpose computers. Digital computers made. It was turning complete digital and able to solve a large class of numerical problems through reprogramming. Thank you, friends. Please like these videos and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.